Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix call ended problem on any Samsung phone. To do that, just open settings, then go to connections. Now just select mobile networks. Now just make sure to enable VoLTE on both SIM cards if you have two SIM cards in your smartphone. Then go to network mode. Now just select LTE, and if your area supports 5G, just select 5G. Now just go back and go to General Management. Now just select Reset and tap on Reset Mobile Network. Now just tap on Reset Settings. After that, just go back and tap on Apps. Now in the search bar, just search Phone. Now just tap on Force Stop and tap on OK. Then go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. And once you've done that, just restart your smartphone. To do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. As you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix call ended problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.